Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Soriam for those of you that are new here, and today I thought I would do something a little bit different, and I was going to give myself a pedicure, and I thought I would just film it. These kinds of videos are always so relaxing for me to watch, so I thought it would be kind of fun to show you how I like to give myself a really quick pedicure. And I have a pedicure throne in my salon, so that is why obviously I have this fancy chair, but you do not need it. You can use anything you have for your own pedicure at home. So I'm going to share with you guys the tools and stuff I'm using. So nail clippers, cuticle nibblers. I have some drill bits. I don't use all of them. I just use two, a cuticle bit and then the light sanding bit. I have cuticle pushers and other little tools. I have disposable pumice stone, some callus cream, my drill bit, my LED light, some acetone and some cotton balls, and a sugar scrub. So those are the things that I am using today for my pedicure, and depending on what kind of pedicure I want to give myself, these tools kind of shift from, you know, different times, but this is what I am using today. So I am just gonna pop my feet right into the water and let them soak for like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just gonna relax and listen to some peaceful music. So now I'm just going to be working on my left leg. I'm just going to remove my old nail polish. And just please excuse my big toe. I actually busted my nail dancing actually a couple of months ago. And so I bruised my nail bed, and so my nail like lifted up and it kind of filled with blood underneath, and so I'm just working through and waiting for that to grow out. It's been about 5 or 6 months from the incident when I busted my nail, so I have about a quarter of the nail growth. So hopefully by the end of summer it'll be completely gone, but that is what that is. It's not like fungus or anything, it's just my busted toenail. After trimming my nails, I am just going to put that foot back in, and I did my other foot, did the same thing, removed my nail polish and then trimmed my toenails, and now I'm working back on this foot. So I just go in with my cuticle pusher and I'm going to push back just a tiny bit, nothing too crazy, just going to push back my cuticle a little bit and get that detached off of my nail so that I could go in with my cuticle bit and just remove any skin that is on the nail, any extra cuticle that is on the nail plate. And since I'm doing gel polish today, I really want that to last as long as possible. So making sure to get all of the dead skin and cuticle off of the nails is what's going to make it last long. So after finishing up with the cuticle bit, I'm going to change it to the light sanding bit, and I am going to go over my nails a little bit just to get rid of any surface shine and rough them up a little bit for the gel polish. So I'm actually going over my big toe a little bit extra because my nail, since it is damaged, it lifted up, so there's like bumps and stuff. So I'm trying to just smooth it out as much as possible without cutting too deep into the actual nail plate or anything like that. So I'm just smoothing it out, making sure it's as smooth as it could be. So I did the same thing again on the other foot, and now I am back to this foot, and I'm just using a different cuticle pusher. This one has like a pointier edge on the other side, and I'm just gonna go around the nail on the sidewalls and under the free edge to make sure that there's no dead skin, and to just make sure that everything is nice and clean. Once I finished up with all of my nails, I am going to use my pumice stone to smooth out my heels and like the calloused areas of my foot. So I added some of the callus remover onto the pumice stone, and I'm just going to go on and work on my heel, which is like the roughest part. So after having it soak for about 20-25 minutes, it's really easy to get all of the dead hard skin off. So I worked on the heel a bit, and now I'm working up around my toes where I get a little bit of callus, nothing too crazy. Just want to make my feet nice and soft. And doing this after your shower and keeping up with it maybe 2 to 3 times a week will really help keep your feet nice and soft. Again, I did the same thing over to my other foot, and now I am back to my left foot, and I'm just gonna lightly massage my foot with the sugar scrub. So I'm just using that to give myself a little bit of a massage, kind of try to relax a little bit. It's a little bit harder to relax when you're doing it to yourself, but it's still super nice. So I'm just gonna go in and massage that foot scrub in and make my feet nice and soft. Once both of my feet are completely done, I don't need to soak them anymore. I'm going to take them both out and dry them, and I am going to drain out the water from the tub, and then I'm going to work on my polish. Before I go in with my gel polish, I am just going to run some acetone over my nails to make sure that there's no oils or any residue or anything like that on my nail, because if there is, then the gel polish will not stick and it won't last as long. So making sure that those nails are nice and clean is what you need to do before polish. So I am going in with this really pretty like pinky purple color. I will find the name of it and leave it in the description, but I did one light coat of this on my nails, and then I'm going to put it under the light, and then I'm going to do a second coat, put that under the light, and then a top coat to finish it off. So once I finish with this top coat, then that is it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. If you want to do your own pedicures at home, it is really easy and a little bit of self-care when you need it the most. So If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post twice a week here on this channel, and I also have a salon channel where I post hair videos and nail videos and all kinds of videos over there. So check that out as well. I have that all linked below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!